Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. So somebody sent me this photograph of a sundial. I found this one off the internet, and this is what he's trying to do, but it's not working. I don't know, maybe even my math guru will chime in here to figure out what the degree is or where even you need to start for it. But we're going to put this line in the center of the page, and then I'm going to zoom in and double click on my line, and you can see it's just a little bit off, so we're going to put it there. Now I'm going to Control D and make it, he's got his duplicate set on something other than 0, 0, and this is one of the best reasons why. So I'm going to hit Control D and make a duplicate, double click on it, and then I'm going to move it and see it's under 20 degrees. And then I'm going to Control D and it's more. So that isn't going to work. So I'm going to hit the plus key this time. And if you notice, I'm only going to have to rotate it 12 degrees or 12 times instead of 24 because I'm doing both sides at one time. That's one advantage of rotating from the center on a line. And I'm not paying too much particular to get it perfect. If you'd want to do it for sure, you'd want to zoom in and make sure you're on that line. And this is just a couple of my thoughts. Now we're making the lines longer than they need to be, and like on his attempt, he was using dashes. So now what we're going to do is put our nudge factor pretty high, like, let's see how big this thing is. 134, so we'll make it 150 millimeters. We'll try to grab the graphic and we'll move it out of the way. Now this isn't in the center of the page anymore, but that's kind of what we want. So we need to draw an ellipse. We're going to hit P, and it's pretty close. The graphic might not have been perfect. So then what we could do is hold down the Shift key and make it smaller. Control D and make a duplicate of that and bring it in. And then we can delete all the lines that are on the inside of that and delete the lines on the outside of it. Takes just a second. I could have grouped them together and done, like a front minus back or back minus front. And you can always hold down the Alt key and draw a line. Now, if we take away maybe one of the ellipses, that's what the line should look like. And I'm hoping some math person will help us figure that out. They're like on this particular one, that looks like there's a lot more space, and there is a little bit more space, but not a lot more space. But that's how you could make something like he's trying to make. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.